Welcome back to Bike Buzz, your trusted source for the latest motorcycle news, reviews, and insights. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic and powerful cruisers ever built, the 2025 Yamaha VMAX V4. This legendary muscle bike has returned, and Yamaha has made sure it doesn't just carry the legacy forward, it redefines it. The return of a legend. The Yamaha VMAX has always stood out. First introduced in 1985, it redefined power cruising with its brute force and unmistakable street presence. After the 2020 model was quietly phased out, fans around the world were left hoping for a revival. Now, in 2025, Yamaha has answered those prayers with a modern reinterpretation of the beast, retaining its muscular DNA while embracing futuristic performance and technology. Design: retro meets futuristic. The 2025 VMAX V4 is a masterclass in aggressive design. Yamaha has seamlessly blended its classic VMAX silhouette with contemporary aesthetics. The muscular tank, massive air scoops, and short tail section scream raw power, while the LED lighting, resculpted frame, and revised ergonomics bring a touch of modern sophistication. It's unmistakably a VMAX, but now with a sharper, more aerodynamic edge. Engine and performance: the V4 roars again. At the heart of the 2025 VMAX is the legendary 1,679 cubic centimeters V4 engine, now refined with modern engineering. While the basic architecture remains the same, Yamaha has upgraded the internals for better efficiency, reduced weight, and even more usable power. The result? 200 horsepower and 123 pound-foot of torque, numbers that put many sport bikes to shame. Throttle response is sharper, mid-range torque is broader, and the exhaust note? Still thunderous and unmistakably VMAX. Chassis and handling, built for brutality and control. One of the biggest improvements for 2025 lies in the chassis. Yamaha has introduced a new aluminum diamond-type frame, optimized for better rigidity and weight distribution. Coupled with a revised KYB suspension system, including fully adjustable 43mm front forks and a rear monoshock, the new VMAX delivers improved cornering stability and a surprisingly nimble ride for such a large machine. The rake angle has been slightly tightened, and the wheelbase shortened, making the VMAX feel more agile without compromising on high-speed stability. This isn't just a straight-line dragster anymore, it's a legitimate cruiser with sport bike precision. Electronic suite: modern muscle. In keeping with current trends, the 2025 VMAX comes fully loaded with rider aids and smart technology. Yamaha's ride control suite includes multiple ride modes: Sport, Standard, Rain. Cornering ABS. Lean-sensitive traction control. Launch control. Quickshifter with auto blipper. Cruise control. All of this is accessible through a new TFT color display, fully customizable and smartphone compatible via the Yamaha MyRide app. It's clear Yamaha wants riders to enjoy all that power responsibly and with total control. Ergonomics and comfort: rider-focused. Despite its aggressive looks, Yamaha has worked hard to ensure the VMAX is more comfortable than ever. The revised seat offers better padding and lumbar support, while the slightly revised handlebar and peg positions reduce fatigue on long rides. The bike still feels commanding, but it no longer punishes the rider for spending hours in the saddle. Heated grips and optional touring accessories, like saddlebags and a fly screen, make this a bike you can actually live with. Braking: power to match the speed. Stopping a 200 horsepower cruiser requires serious braking hardware, and Yamaha hasn't cut any corners. The 2025 VMAX features dual 320mm front discs with radial mount Brembo calipers, and a 298mm rear disc, all assisted by a state-of-the-art cornering ABS system. The feel of the lever is precise, and the power is more than adequate to handle any real-world scenario. Exhaust note: the VMAX voice. No discussion of the VMAX is complete without mentioning its sound. The revised 4x1x2 exhaust system delivers a guttural growl at idle and a spine-tingling scream at full throttle. Yamaha has carefully tuned the exhaust to retain the classic VMAX character while meeting stricter emission standards. It's a sound that turns heads and sends chills down your spine, just as it should. Tech upgrades, beyond performance. The 2025 VMAX also comes equipped with keyless ignition, integrated GPS navigation, USB-C charging ports, and built-in anti-theft tracking. Yamaha has clearly designed this bike to compete not just in terms of power, but overall ownership experience. These modern features blend seamlessly into the bike's design and reflect the evolving expectations of today's riders. Customization and accessories. Yamaha is offering a broad range of official accessories for the 2025 VMAX, including performance upgrades, touring kits, cosmetic add-ons, and even a factory-approved performance ECU flash. Whether you're chasing the drag strip, planning long road trips, or just cruising the city, there's a VMAX configuration to match your style. Price and availability. The 2025 Yamaha VMAX V4 is available in two color schemes, Midnight Carbon and Lunar Silver. Pricing starts at $23,999 making it a premium but justifiable investment for serious riders who demand the best of both power and heritage. Availability will vary by region, but global deliveries are expected to begin by late summer 2025. Final verdict, a worthy resurrection. The 2025 Yamaha VMAX V4 is more than just a return, it's a reinvention. Yamaha has managed to retain everything that made the VMAX legendary, while evolving it for the modern era. It's fast, loud, comfortable, and packed with cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a longtime VMAX fan or just discovering this iconic nameplate, this new version is a clear statement: muscle cruising is alive and well. Thanks for watching Bike Buzz. That's all for today's in-depth look at the 2025 Yamaha VMAX V4. If you love muscle bikes, powerful V4 engines, or just appreciate motorcycles that make a statement, this one's for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Bike Buzz for more exclusive content, first looks, and honest reviews. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you ride the new VMAX? Ride safe, ride strong, and we'll catch you in the next one. End of script.